Hello YouTube, back here once again, bringing you a new product that I just got. Ordered it from eBay. I'm a little out of breath this morning. I've been moving around too quick. It is a 200 watt siren. It's different. It says Spirit. We're going to look at it. I'm going to get everything set up right quick and we'll go from there. Alright, I've already opened the box. Here's the wire. Comes with a 4-pin prong with connector. We'll lay that on the table. Here's the microphone. I'm going to take this out of the package. This is the box, siren box. Get my fingers out of the way here. Alright. Here's the front of it. Excuse me. Electronic siren. Horn, siren, aux, high, high, low, well 1, and manual. So this is 1, 2, 3, basically 6 sirens. 6 horns. We're gonna get it hooked up and go from there. I'll give you another view of it. Okay, I've got the wires plugged in right there. It comes with like 3 foot of wire. It's long. Well, it even touches the floor. See? Phew. That's a lot of wire. Well, hey, but that's a good thing though. Get a tape measure here. Just check the size of it. See the size of the box. I know I got tape measure somewhere. I usually have about 2 or 3 of them. Alright. It is 5 1/4 inches wide. 7 1/4 inches long. Find out how thick it is. And it is 2 and almost 2 1/2. Close to it, 2 3/8. Well, that's the sizes of it. Well, let's go ahead and get the speaker out of the box here. It also comes with the mic holder stuff. Screws, mic holder, mic hanger, excuse me. I'm going to get the styrofoam out. Hang on a minute. Okay, I got the speaker out of the styrofoam. This is a cone speaker, and I've been wanting to do a review, and nobody has published one apparently, of what the difference is between a flat speaker and a cone speaker. So this is a new cone speaker I just bought, and my next video is I'm going to do one of on the same control box, probably this one, to see the difference between a cone speaker and a flat speaker. See what the actual sound difference is, sound quality. Because nobody really knows. I've asked questions, I've searched all over the internet, and I have not been able to find anything. I've had people tell me that you get a deeper, better sound out of a cone. You get more of a piercing sound out of flat speaker. It's just pretty much getting a runaround. Alright, let's see here. Let's see, got a zip tie on it. Let's cut the zip tie here. Try not to cut the wires. That wouldn't be a good thing. Probably better use fingernail clippers. But I got it. the back of the speaker is metal with a plastic coating. No, that's just a rubberized coating. It is metal. The cone itself is plastic. It seems like it's pretty quality made. It's regular ABS plastic or polycarbonate, one of the two. Sorry about that. I left the video paused too long. The horn and the siren are backwards. The switch needs to be taken out, flipped over. What it really needs. Because this right here. As you see, that says siren, but that's actually a horn. Auxiliary, the microphone is way too sensitive. You got that is a 200 watt siren, supposed to be. I don't know if it's a true 200 watts, but I very seriously thought about just putting both of them in the vehicle and just putting them on a toggle switch, letting them go and letting them play. Do that and it'll be all good and glorious. I like the speaker. I like the siren. I just wish it had better siren options. Seriously. The volume control is okay. It's not what I expected, all I can really say. It is vibrating my phone. But like I said, I'm going to do another video of this speaker, cone speaker, and a flat speaker, and see what the actual difference is between the two. Maybe there's a big difference. Everybody I know of have no idea. We'll get into it next time, and when it gets warm, we'll go out there and do it then. Let me take my earphones off. Oh, I can hear something. I can't even hear myself talk. Turn that off. You turn it off right there by the volume control. Alright, YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Or give it a thumbs down. Whichever you think. Hopefully you'll give it a thumbs up. Maybe we can get 1,000 likes on this video. Here's the cone speaker. 200 watts. Here's the siren. We are going to, like I said, on the box said, Spirit a while ago. It was about $45 on eBay. It's not no high dollar siren. The ones I got out in the vehicles now they're cost a lot more, in which they are better quality. The microphone is cheap and cheesy. I don't really care for it, but like I said, I may just wind up hooking both of them up in the vehicle and just leave it like that. Hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments below. If y'all want me to, I'll leave a description in the video, at the bottom of the video. Tell me what you think about the siren. Tell me what you should I do with the siren. Like I said, the next video I'm going to do is going to be on the flat speaker versus cone speaker, 200 watts. I'm going to try to look into getting a decibel meter and see what the actual sound difference is too. I'm not going to use one of the apps that you can get on your phone. I don't think those are accurate. I've tried them. I don't think they're all that great. But in the meantime, stay tuned. We'll do another video. I'll try to do it next week, within the next couple weeks, or at least a week or two. Tell me what you think. Hit that subscribe button. Later.